Hi everyone, Sandy here. I wanted to do another video working in my December journal, and I am going to work on, I think I'm going to work on this page. I think this is such a pretty page. And last video, I talked about using this digital in our Patreon kit to make a belly band. And if you don't have the digitals, if you're watching this over on YouTube, then you can just find any sort of Christmas paper that you have, some wrapping paper, a Christmas bag, any sort of thing, and you can use that. So I trimmed this down to make this my belly band here, and I had this trim that I purchased at Joann's. I did a haul video on this, and so I want to glue this onto the belly band. Make it kind of a fun, chunky, sparkly belly band. So I hope y'all are doing well. And thanks to, I want to give a shout out to Janet and Randy. They both bought a December journal from me, and so I think that's so exciting. So hopefully you all will journal along with me. I would like it, I'd love it if you'd post pictures either on Patreon or over on the Junk Journal Friends Facebook page, and share pictures of your journal layouts with me and with the rest of the community. That would be so fun. Isn't that cute? And you could stitch along the top and bottom if you want to, but I don't really think that that's necessary. But you can definitely do that if you want. So then I'm going to add some glue across the top. And some glue across the bottom. And just put that on there. I do love this trim. I might have to see if they have any left at Joann's and order some more. So I really like it. So then now I have a nice belly band right here. Let that glue dry. Perfect. And what I'm journaling about is every year my girlfriends and I, we have a little Christmas, we do a potluck dinner, and so I thought I would journal about that. And so I had just, this is scrapbook paper. I'm not even sure where it came from, but I thought I would add some more of this tea-dyed paper to the back of this. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. Tammy, who hosted the party, she made spaghetti and meatballs, and then a few of us brought appetizers, and then some other folks brought some salads and bread, and then we had some desserts. Some other folks brought desserts, and of course we had plenty of wine. And my little teeny tiny journal ornament that I made, I did a video of that over on YouTube. It was a big hit, and yeah, Julie ended up, so what we do is like a Secret Santa, and so you draw numbers, and then people can steal gifts and stuff like that. So Julie ended up with the gift and the ornament, And that was so fun. And my friends, they all said, oh, we want one, we want one. And then someone suggested that we just all get together and I show them how to make one. And I was like, yeah, I would love to do that. So I'll have to hold them to that. But yeah, we had a really nice evening. And we hadn't done it before. Well, maybe we have, but I don't remember. We kind of all went around the table and talked about kind of how we met and how each of us got introduced to this group, and that was really fun to listen to the different stories. Sorry about that, y'all. So those are the types of things that I will write on the back of this. I'll wait for the glue to dry though. And I think I might do a little stenciling on here. Might do some little Christmas trees down here. Just kind of in the corner. Adorable. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. I might do a couple over here too. But yeah, Tammy had her house decorated. So pretty. There was, I think, 13 of us there this year. A couple of the folks were sick, which is a bummer, but boy, there's just so much crud going around this time of year. And what I love is if someone's sick, they stay home. You know, they don't go out. So I am very appreciative of that. And then I printed out, so here's a picture of the group. That's me peeking. I did a little selfie. And then there's one of my friends, Debbie. And then this is the gift that I ended up with. This candle, I'm telling you, this candle, it's like this. It's probably a foot tall. And it's huge. And it smells beautifully. So I was fine with that gift. I thought it was, I love candles. And so that was fun. Yeah. Several of the gifts got stolen. And it's fun. I love that. So I thought I'd put some of the pictures over on this side over here. Okay. Stencils are cute. These are a couple new ones I got at Joann's a while back. On sale. Of course, I always try to get my journals on sale. And then I cut out this little number 8 because it was December 8th when we had our party. And I don't want to cover up Santa. So I think I'll put the 8 over here. I might put a little bit of this doily behind it. Maybe like this. Yeah, like that. attacher to attach these. And I think I might put it on the edge, what's on the other side of this. So yeah, I could put a little staple right there. I think that would be okay. So I think I'll staple this to this first. There we go. And then I'll staple this to the page. There. I like that. And I don't love that sticking out, so I will have to, yeah, I might ink that up or something. And then I add a little washi tape underneath here. It's sticking to my finger. There we go. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue there. Keep that down. I think I'll keep the whole thing there, actually. There. And then I want to add the photos. Oh, and I have a little bit of this bling. And I think I'm going to add this too. Pretty sure this is like a Dollar Tree bling. I'll add that on there. So I think trying to decide. I think I want to put one of the photos on here, but I'm going to put this one here. Love that. And then I'm going to put this one up here. And I think what I might do is make this a flip, I think. Yeah. So I'm going to tape this to the edge of this. And I'm going to fold it over. Perfect. And then I think I'll find some paper to cover that up, so I'll look for that in a minute. So then that can slide under there. Love that. And then I can do the journaling on the back. And I have all these different washi tapes. Just kind of jazz up these photos here. So you don't have to overcomplicate your pages. Nice. And then I have my 8th. And I want to look in here and see if there's a fun sentiment about friends, maybe. Alright, I think what I am going to go with there are gifts you cannot see, because I feel like my friendship with these ladies is a gift. And I am going to put that right there. Awesome. And I have the date on the photographs. All right, so there is our next little journal layout. And yes, I hope this motivates you guys to do some decorating in your journal. And you don't have to journal about anything. You can just do some decorating in your journal. So I'll make sure to do a video like that as well. But I think it's fun to try to capture different memories. So last time we did this layout about the Christmas tree, and I'm journaling on the back of this about decorating my tree. And we also got this spread ready, and I haven't used it yet, but I'll definitely use that and do some journaling. And then we did this one here tonight. All right, I will see you all on the next video. Leave a comment, hit the like button, all that jazz. Thank you. Bye.